Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best induction cooktops that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the AMZCHEF electric cooktop. This dual-zone electric cooktop is designed for households that need versatility and safety in their kitchen. With 2,400 watts of total power, 1,200 watts per burner. It can handle everything from simmering to frying, making it a reliable option for busy kitchens. Its 9 power levels provide precise control over heat, allowing you to tailor your cooking style to perfection. The combination of knob and touch controls makes operation intuitive, and the child safety lock adds an extra layer of security, especially for families with young children. The cooktop's design is sleek and modern, featuring a black ceramic glass surface that's easy to clean. Rounded edges ensure there are no sharp corners, enhancing safety. Unlike induction cooktops, it works with any cookware, including aluminum, copper, and cast iron, making it a more flexible option for users who already have a variety of pots and pans. Additionally, built-in overheating and overcurrent protection mechanisms ensure durability and safe operation over time. While this cooktop excels in safety and compatibility, it's worth noting that it lacks the efficiency of induction technology. However, its ability to avoid electromagnetic radiation makes it ideal for households with pregnant women or users concerned about radiation exposure. At $159.99, the AMZCHEF electric cooktop is a solid choice for those who value flexibility and safety over cutting-edge induction technology. Pros include its compatibility with all cookware and robust safety features, while cons are its lower energy efficiency compared to induction models. At number 4, we have the AMZCHEF Double Induction Cooktop. This premium option stands out with its 2 cooking zones and a removable non-stick griddle pan, which adds versatility to your cooking setup. Whether you're grilling juicy steaks or flipping delicate pancakes, this cooktop has you covered. With individual controls for each burner, you can use the left and right zones simultaneously without exceeding the combined power limit of 1,800 watts. The sensor touch control panel is intuitive, and the 99-minute timer ensures precision, making it ideal for multitasking. The build quality is excellent, featuring a polished black crystal glass surface that's both stylish and easy to clean. The removable griddle pan is a convenient addition, offering excellent heat retention and distribution. However, its weight, 14.62 pounds, makes it less portable compared to single-burner models. Another key feature is its compatibility with magnetic induction cookware, ensuring efficient cooking. If you're unsure whether your pots and pans are compatible, a simple magnet test will do the trick. Priced at $179.99, the AMZCHEF Double Induction Cooktop is best suited for users who need a dual-zone setup and appreciate the additional griddle functionality. The pros include its versatility, dual burners, and sleek design, while cons are its relatively high price and compatibility limitations with non-magnetic cookware. Coming in at number 3 is the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. This mid-range option balances affordability with advanced features, making it a great choice for everyday cooking. One of its standout features is the 45 precise temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing exceptional control for everything from simmering sauces to searing steaks. The shatter-proof ceramic glass surface ensures durability, while the slim design optimizes portability for compact kitchens or RVs. Performance-wise, the Nuwave Flex is a star. Its patented insulation technology brings the induction coils closer to cookware, ensuring even heating without hot or cold spots. With 3 wattage settings, 600 watts, 900 watts, and 1,300 watts, you can adjust power levels based on your cooking needs. However, its lower maximum wattage compared to other models means it may take slightly longer to boil water or heat large pans. The intuitive digital controls make on-the-fly adjustments easy, so you'll never feel restricted while cooking. Priced at $99.99, this cooktop is perfect for those seeking precision without breaking the bank. Pros include its wide temperature range, durable construction, and portability. On the downside, it's less powerful than some competitors, making it better suited for light cooking tasks rather than heavy-duty use. At number 2 is the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Burner, model 9600 LS/BT200DZ. This cooktop offers advanced features like 20 preset power levels and 20 temperature settings, ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. With its 83% energy efficiency, it outperforms traditional gas and electric stoves, making it a great choice for eco-conscious users. The digital LCD sensor touch panel includes a child safety lock, fast boil button, keep warm function, and a timer that goes up to 10 hours. In terms of design, the Duxtop 9600 LS sports a sleek silver finish and a lightweight build, weighing just 6.2 pounds for easy portability. The glass surface is straightforward to clean, though users should allow it to cool down before wiping it down. It requires induction-compatible cookware, but its auto pan detection system ensures safety by shutting off if the wrong cookware is used. While the induction process itself is quiet, users may hear high-pitched sounds from certain types of cookware. Priced at $116.99, this model is an excellent value for those who want energy efficiency and precise control in a portable package. Pros include its advanced features, high energy efficiency, and sleek design, while cons are its noise levels with some cookware and higher price compared to the budget option. And finally, at number 1, we have the Duxtop 8100 MC/BT180G3 Portable Induction Cooktop. This budget-friendly option delivers impressive performance at just $70.99, making it a great entry point for first-time induction users. With 10 temperature ranges from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit and 10 power levels from 200 watts to 1800 watts, it offers more than enough versatility for everyday cooking. Its built-in countdown timer goes up to 170 minutes, providing convenience for longer recipes. The design is simple yet functional, featuring a compact build that's lightweight at just 5.8 pounds. The durable glass surface is resistant to food sticking, making cleanup a breeze. The auto pan detection system shuts off the cooktop after 60 seconds if no cookware is detected, enhancing safety. While it requires magnetic cookware, its diagnostic error message system helps troubleshoot compatibility issues efficiently. For under $71, the Duxtop 8100 MC offers exceptional value and reliability. Pros include its affordable price, compact design, and strong performance, while cons are its fewer temperature settings compared to premium models and lack of advanced features like a child safety lock. This is the perfect choice for budget-conscious users or those new to induction cooking. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.